Alright guys, we're on lesson 46. We've already accomplished the word problems about fractions of a group. Let's take a few example problems here. Give you a little bit of help with your assignment. It says, walking at a steady rate, Ebony walked 11 miles in 3 hours. Write a mixed number that shows how many miles she walked each hour. 11 miles in 3 hours. 11 miles in 3 hours. Can you cut miles up? You bet. They don't bleed. How many times does 3 go into 11? 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. 11 minus 9 is 2. 3 and 2/3 miles. Ooh, better start with my name. 3 and 2/3 miles. Let's go on to number 2. It said number 2. The theater has 625 seats. If 135 seats were empty, how many seats were filled? So this is your classic 3-box one. It has 625 total seats and 139 seats are filled. What's the difference? Big box, little box, subtract. And when I'm done, my label will be seats. Okay. Alright, number 3 says this line is 4 centimeters long. How many millimeters long is it? Millimeters, centimeters. Millimeters, centimeters, times... I forgot. Don't worry. It said lesson 44. So then we should just be able to go ahead, go back to 44, and get some help on it. There it is. 4 centimeters equals 40 millimeters. 4 centimeters equals 40 millimeters. Remember to use your resources. Okay. Don't forget to subtract this one. I didn't do it. I figured you guys could do that yourself. Number 4. 7,000 passengers arrived on 8 ships. If the ships each carried an equal group of passengers, how many passengers on each ship? 7,000 divided by 8. How many times does 8 go into 7? It doesn't. How many times does 8 go into 70? 8 times. 8 times 8 is 64. Subtract. You get 6. Bring down the 0. How many times does 8 go into 60? 7 times. 7 times 8 is 56. Subtract. You get 4. Bring down my 0. How many times does 8 go into 40? 5 times. Now I need a label for this. 5 what? Looks like it's passengers. 875 passengers. Number 5. What year was 2 centuries before 1976? The year we declared our Declaration of Independence. If you can't remember what a century is, you gotta look it up. I think it's in lesson 35. Oh, 100 years? Thank you. Appreciate it. So 2 groups of 100 equals 200. And so I got 1976 minus 200 years. That's the year we declared our independence, 1976. All right, finally, the one I've been looking for. Number 6. Draw a diagram to illustrate and solve this problem. No idea what that guy's name is. We'll call him Bob. Was voted most valuable player for scoring 2/3 of the team's 48 points. 2/3 of 48. The bottom number tells me my boxes, dresser drawers. I need 3 of them. Let's go. Step 1. Divide by the bottom number. 48 divided by 3. 3 goes into 4 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Bring down the 8. How many times does 3 go into 18? 6 times. This is the number that goes into each box. Now we're going to multiply by the top number. 2 times 16. Boy, this kid was a scoring machine. 6 times 2 is 12. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 more is 3. 32. What? Points. All right, guys, we did the first 6. I'll be more than happy to work on some more with you. Check me at our Zoom call. God bless your day.